Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw your SUI token to your preferred exchanges. What is it going to be their listing price? Alright guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are seeing this video for the very first time, please support me by subscribing to this channel and turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I drop more videos like this, you'll be the first to notify. Make sure you like this video. So guys, this is how to withdraw your SUI token to your exchange. First of all, you can see that you will need to withdraw SUI to your SUI Wallet first at 11 a.m. UTC before you will be able to withdraw it to your exchange. And the exchange they listed is MEX, binance and KuCoin. That's the exchange that they are going to list this token. I mean, this is crazy. Listing is going to happen at 10 UTC. Then withdrawing to your exchange is going to happen after the listing. Are they going to do us April Fool? Because you know, in terms of MinFi, we withdraw our token to our OKS wallet before the listing date and the listing time. So I don't know what is wrong with this SUI combination. We're supposed to withdraw our token before the listing time, but this one you are going to withdraw to your exchange after the listing, which is after the price may have gone down. Then you are going to withdraw the token to your exchange, which is crazy. And you know, their total supply is 1 billion and their circulating supply is going to be around 420 million. That means if the market cap is 4.2, the listing price is going to be around 0.01. So guys, once you log into your SUI dashboard, then you are going to click on this icon. Here you can see that the first step is open the dashboard to check whether you have connected your SUI wallet. So here you can see that I've connected my SUI wallet. The next step is you are going to scroll down. Then you are going to see asset. You can see asset slope. So you click on this asset and SUI is going to appear here. But you can see that SUI have not appeared here is because that the withdrawal option is not available. The withdrawal option is going to open at 11 UTC. You can change that to your local time, but in Nigerian time, that's 12 o'clock PM. And here you can see that you will need to withdraw SUI to your SUI wallet first. That means you need two gas fee. The first gas fee is for you to withdraw it to your SUI wallet. Then the second gas fee is for you to withdraw from SUI wallet to MEX, binance and KuCoin. You need gas fee. But if they are going to do like MinFi, which they deduct our balance, the total balance that you have, they deduct the balance. So if they are going to do like MinFi, which they are going to deduct the balance, then that means you need only one gas fee for you to withdraw your SUI token from SUI wallet to your exchange. So guys, this is the summary of everything I said. First of all, you need two gas fee. The first gas fee is for you to withdraw it from this dashboard to the SUI wallet. That's the first gas fee. And the second gas fee is for you to withdraw from your SUI wallet to your exchange, which you are going to require exchange gas fee. So guys, that is it about SUI.